Welcome back to MBTV News.
Today's top story. 4 students visited Masters Concrete to learn about manufacturing.
Let's take a look. The students got a first-hand account of the production process.
Down here at this olefin facility, we produce a lot of the larger precast products. So produce stock piers, manholes, catch basins, a lot of residential products as step units and basement entries. And then we produce a engineered wall system, Magnum stone.
These students got the opportunity to hear about the history of the company.
Well, we've been in business for 90 years now. Grandfather started it. I'm 3rd generation. Started in multiple business, from coal stripping and road construction, even a feed mill. We do a lot with sales and marketing, employee engagement, company culture, and the strategic future of the business.
They learned about the day-to-day process.
My day starts off, I'll have get the production sheet from what we're going to pour today, and I'll go through the guys, what they're going to do, set up forms. We have to strip down each different form every day. It could be Bilcos, it could be steps.
They also found how manufacturing can be fun.
The most fun part about my job, when I work towards the marketing aspect of it, being on the job sites, taking pictures, I get to meet the customers, I get to interact with our employees, and I enjoy the relationship aspect of my job.
The people I work with, I would say I have fun with the guys I work with. It's a fun place to work at. The guys are cool. I mean, I have no complaints about it.
Thanks for watching MBTV.
Be sure to tune in next week